Qualifier annotation. In a Spring framework, qualifier annotation is used to resolve ambiguity when multiple beans of the same type exist in the Spring container. So what happens when Spring encounters a situation where it needs to inject a dependency of a particular type, but it finds more than one bean instance of that type available in the application context, then it gets confused which one to use, and then it throws a NoUniqueBeanDefinitionException because it is unable to decide which bean to be picked up because both beans are of same type. Then, at such kind of confusing situation, qualifier annotation plays an essential role. This annotation provides a mechanism to mention which exact bean should be injected. So that's the role of qualifier annotation. Now let us understand how to use it. Qualifier annotation of a Spring framework can be applied at the setter method or at the constructor level or at the field level. And what will be the name? Match it with the name of the assigned specific bean. Right? So what you need to do, you need to define the beans and then inject the qualifier along with the auto-wired annotation.